Hi, I'm Lark Gamaliel Kayana, but feel free to call me Lark. 21 years of age and an almost computer engineering graduate, and I am here to apply for the position of Technical Project Manager at SIM. So, I am a graduating student from Baisu, whose course is computer engineering. With my background in computer engineering, it equips me with a strong foundation in both technical and problem solving skills. I understand how the development process works. This allows me to bridge the gap between developers and stakeholders, ensuring clear communication, efficient workflows, and successful project execution. So, here's some games that I like. So a bit about me: I love playing team-based games like League of Legends and Marvel Rivals, which has given me plenty of experience with working with diverse teams. This has made me a solid team player, and I am always ready to support my team and help achieve our goals together. Now, problems are always inevitable, whether in gaming sessions or in group projects. During tough gaming moments with friends, I become the cheerleader, promoting positivity and helping the team refocus on their tasks. I carry the same calm and composed mindset into group projects, tackling tight deadlines and unexpected challenges with ease. So I've also hosted several D&D sessions with friends, which has also helped me develop strong leadership, organization, and team coordination skills, key abilities for managing group dynamics and ensuring everyone stays engaged and motivated. Now, in these D&D sessions, I often practice impromptu decision making, thinking on my feet, and adapting to unexpected challenges, skills that are invaluable in fast paced, dynamic project environments. So, some other traits of mine are also: I'm very extroverted, I am team oriented, enthusiastic, and I am cheerful. I bring a fun energy to projects while knowing when to switch gears and stay serious to ensure we meet deadlines and achieve our goals. So, my MBTI type for the Myers-Briggs test is I was classified as an ENFP archetype. So, as an ENFP, I bring creativity, energy, and strong communication skills to the table. I thrive on connecting with people, fostering collaboration, and thinking for the bigger picture. My adaptability and empathy help me manage dynamic teams and keep everyone motivated, making me an ideal fit for a project manager intern role. So some events that I have attended was one memorable one was like Google DevFest. So attending Google DevFest 2023 and 2024 sharpened my understanding of emerging tech and innovation. These experiences enriched my ability to manage projects by staying updated on the latest tools, trends, and strategies, key skills for guiding teams and driving impactful results. Now, I also attended in Startup Weekend Challenge 2024, where my team won a special award and I acted as a project manager. I oversaw app design, crafted the business model, identified the target market, and strategized revenue generation. I ensured we met the deadline while maintaining a stress-free, collaborative environment. So some tools that I am versatile in or very used to is Notion for organization, Adobe Suite and Canva for design, VS Code for coding, SketchUp and AutoCAD for 3D modeling, GitHub for collaboration, Google Colab for data analysis, and Microsoft Office for documentation. These tools can help me manage projects effectively and creatively. Now, for some group projects, so I've contributed to several group projects that honed my skills in documentation and progress tracking here as I was studying my course. So, some examples of this was like the Buzzlight earthquake detector, which is a firmware, pothole detection using YOLO V4, which is machine learning, so is software, and Suica, a Bluetooth tethered luggage robot, which is also firmware. In addition, I have also done some solo projects like SumoBot and Pathfinder robots and an app called Possum, a doggy dating app, which showcases my ability to take initiative and execute complex ideas independently. Some seminars that I have attended seminars like the Agile Product Development Workshop by Stellar PH and Game Development in the PH How to Survive and Thrive, which deepened my understanding of project management methodologies and strategies for thriving in dynamic industries. So, some other seminars that I've attended were So in the modern technology side, such as cloud computing, generative AI with Google Cloud, and AI for startups, I've also explored design principles, AI integration in apps, and web performance optimization, equipping me to manage technical projects efficiently. I've also attended some Toastmaster sessions, which honed my communication and leadership skills, enabling me to effectively articulate ideas, foster collaboration, and inspire teams, key traits for a successful project manager. So, why did I choose SIMF? So, I chose SIMF because of its exceptional work culture, which aligns with my aspirations of eventually launching my own startup. I'm eager to learn how to effectively manage a team and cultivate a positive, productive work environment, skills that I know I can develop by working side along Team Sim's talented team. So, that is all. And I am Lark Camila de Fiana, and thank you.